Hello बच्चों, let's read the question. The question says the vapor pressure of acetone at 20 degrees Celsius is 185 torr. When 1.2 gram of non-volatile substance was dissolved in 100 gram of acetone at 20 degrees Celsius, its vapor pressure was 183 torr. The molar mass of the substance is A 32, B 64, C 128, D 488. तो बच्चों इस क्वेश्चन का जो की कॉन्सेप्ट है वो है यहाँ पे जब हम देख रहे हैं कि वेपर प्रेशर जो है एसीटोन का 20 डिग्री सेल्सियस पे 185 टॉर था, हमने उसमें कुछ नॉन वॉलेटाइल सब्सटेंस ऐड किया तो उसका वेपर प्रेशर क्या हो गया, डिक्रीज हो गया, 183 टॉर हो गया. तो यहाँ पे क्वालिटेटिव प्रॉपर्टी जो लगेगी उसके की कॉन्सेप्ट में वो होगी रिलेटिव lowering in vapor pressure. Fine, it's an qualitative property. तो इसका फॉर्मूला होता है एक, we should know the formula, that is P naught minus PS upon PS is equals to mole fraction of the solute. Okay, now हम मोल फ्रैक्शन को पहले लिख लेते हैं. इम्प्लाई कर रहा है कि मोल फ्रैक्शन ऑफ द सॉल्यूट पहले हम उसे फाइंड कर लेते हैं. दैट इज मोल फ्रैक्शन ऑफ द सॉल्यूट इज नंबर ऑफ मोल्स ऑफ द सॉल्यूट एन सॉल्यूट अपॉन टोटल नंबर ऑफ मोल्स. फाइन. नाउ तो यहाँ पे अगर हम देखें तो नंबर ऑफ मोल्स ऑफ सॉल्यूट मीन्स मास ऑफ द सॉल्यूट. तो W1, suppose W1 is the mass of the solute upon M1 is the molecular weight of the solute into number of moles of the whole number of moles, that is means the solvent part. So this one will be this will be in divide form. So when we put cross multiplication, then it will reverse. So M2 by W2. Okay, now here if we see our W1, that is W1 is equals to, here W1 is the 1.2 gram. Let's suppose W1 is equals to 1.2 gram, and according to W1 M1, that is W1 is the mass of the acetone. So here if we find the mole fraction of the solute, that will be W2 into M1 upon W1 into M2, and we have to find the M2. Here W2 is what? W1 and W2 are the molar masses of the acetone and non-volatile substance respectively, and M1 and M2 are the molar masses of the acetone and non-volatile substance respectively. So put all the values in the above equation. So P naught is given, that is in the pure form 185, minus in the solvent when we dissolve, then 183 upon 183 is equals to, now W2 is what? 1.2 gram into non-volatile substance, the 58 acetone, okay, upon W1 is 100 gram given into M2 we have to find. On further solving, that is 185 minus 183, that is 2 upon 183 is equals to 1.2 into 58 upon 100 into M2, implies M2 is equals to 64 gram per mole. So the mass of the non-volatile substance is molecular mass of the non-volatile substance is 64 gram per mole. So the correct option will be B. Hope you understood it well. Best of luck.